Guys, today we're making the best avocado toast you've ever had. You're definitely not gonna wanna miss this video. Let's go. Hey guys, so avocado toast starts out with some delicious sourdough bread. Make sure you check out my video to learn how to make this. First, add a little garlic confit oil to your bread, mold and sea salt. And then we'll go ahead and griddle this, guys, till it's nice and toasty. That's gonna bring out all of the flavor that you want. All right, guys, so next we want to take a super ripe avocado, obviously remove the pit. We'll add some sea salt, pepper, the juice from a half a lime. And then we want to go ahead and just mash this up like you're making guacamole. Boil your water, vinegar, salt, add your egg. And then we'll go ahead and poach this until desired temp. All right, let's go ahead and plate up our beautiful avocado toast. Take your garlic confit and just smash it into your bread. Next, take your avocado. So I went ahead and added a little bit of texture with this palette knife to make the egg lay flat. And then next we'll add some crispy chopped bacon. You can add whatever you like. If you like sausage, chili garlic crisp. I'm gonna do a follow-up video on how to make this, guys. Be sure to look out for that, but you can do a store-bought one for now if you like. Then I also wanted to add a few pickled carrots, cucumber, and onion just to really cut through that fattiness of the bacon and the avocado. And if you want, a little radish. All right, and to bring it all together, we got some micro dill, a little bit of slivered scallions, and then we'll top it off with some micro cilantro. And there you have it, a beautiful fine dining avocado toast. Enjoy, guys. All right, guys, that's it for another video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a short, quick video on a nice, healthy breakfast item or lunch or dinner, whatever you like. Watch my sourdough video. Make yourself a sourdough loaf first, and then you can make this. Gotta taste it, right? So good. What I really like about this dish is the chili oil. Just kind of rounds everything together. Fatty and acidic avocado on the bottom for the first layer, and then we have that beautiful egg with the runny egg yolk. You could fry an egg too if you wanted to do that. Some nice pickled veg around the side adds a little bit more acidity, some herbs for herbaceousness, and then a little bit more fatty crispiness with the crispy bacon. You know, this is the way I like to eat avocado toast as a chef. Make it your way. Another way you could create a beautiful avocado toast. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next week.